My name is Jason. This is the plastic shop. Most of the stuff we do here is mainly custom design. We have a CNC that cuts out all the shapes and products, stuff that would be your everyday supplies or just everyday needs. Cup holders, phone holders, stuff like this. These are little radio holders that we have made, kind of perfected it over the years. Things change, but also they get better and better. Everything here is custom made. We put everything together by hand, and anything that the client would want or would like to have in their products, we can also implement it and also create it as well.